Hey you guys, today I'm going to be turning putty into slime. I already tried this piece and it worked perfect. So yeah, what's that on my phone? So this one actually worked perfect. Let me show you guys. They can't pull close, so yeah, I'll be back to get the stuff. So I got the stuff. You will need something to mix with. I don't have nothing to mix with. I'm gonna just use the spoon, glue stick, and a putty. It don't matter what color putty. So as I showed y'all earlier, it's the putty I have. So I'm gonna be mixing this one in. I'll be back when it's out. So it came out so slow. It blended in with it. You're gonna need like 2 taps. Then do something like that. So this, I think, hold on, my knees don't have nothing. Yes. So I actually put a little water on here. And comment if you eat these crunchy granola bars. And subscribe to my channel in a link below and tap that bell. And hit the notification bell. That's the same thing as tap the bell. I put a little water in it. I think I should have did that. Yep, I shouldn't. Oh, never mind. It's working out perfect. It's not stretching out no more, so I'm gonna look. This time I don't want to have a glue stick. I love these. Don't mind that. That was my dad. Because you guys started paying. It's working, I think.